Let's say you got a headache, a bigger headache.
I command you leave this body.
No, too much. And so does the girl who lives across the street. You both buy the same brand of pain reducer. She gets better, and so do you. How? You don't care. She doesn't care. But we care. We're Advanced Powder Solutions, experts in blending technology for the pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food industries. We make sure you get the same amount of the good stuff in your pills. Her too. Do you know what the Froude number is? How about the fluidization zone? No, not that one. No, not that either.
Come on!
We're Advanced Powder Solutions, offering feasibility, development, and contract manufacturing for tumble blending and drying. We use state-of-the-art Gemco blenders to achieve superior results, so that you can get better. Her too. You're welcome.